guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I have a brand new indie makeup brand to share with you all today, and this is actually the sister brand to Uden's Eye. This was kindly sent to me in PR. This brand is called By Us, and this is their brand new Garden Busters palette. I think that this cover art is so cute, and I'm especially fond of the name of this palette because Buster was my cat of 18 years that sadly passed away a couple years ago. But when I saw the name of the palette, when the palette arrived and I got to see all the beautiful colors on the outside, all the beautiful artwork, I immediately thought of Buster and all of the love and happiness that she brought to my life, and that's what makes me happy, seeing all of the beautiful colors. So already the palette is off to a great start. Let's take a peek inside. Let's see what you're getting. So I would just want to point out real quick that this is a rather thick packaging. It almost looks like a book on a bookshelf. We open it up and we're getting 15 different shadows, a mixture of matte and shimmers. Very colorful. I love it. You guys know I love colorful makeup. And then you have the different pan sizes, which I know might irk some of you. I don't mind it, but I do feel there's probably a bit of wasted space in here, but you know, it's cute. They're trying a little theme here with the palette, and so it works. Will they continue with this format? I don't know. This is their very first launch, and you do get a full-size mirror over here as well. Now, this palette is going to drop on August the 25th. I believe it is at 9 AM CST. They did give me an affiliate code, and it is Steff, and that will save you 10% off of your order. I'm going to be creating 2 full looks today, so I'll be wearing this palette for the next couple days, and we'll see if it is worth your time and your money. I want to say the palette is going to retail for about $44, less of course a discount code. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just welcome all of you. Hello there, my name is Steff. I love trying out new makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I'll do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, get ready with me style of videos, haul videos, you name it. I just love makeup to pieces. And if you love makeup just the way I do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're liking the packaging, if you're liking the colors, you're curious about this new By Us Cosmetics brand, please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. Don't forget to check the description box for links and codes to everything that I'll be wearing, referencing in today's video. Some of those links and codes are affiliate, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for helping me support this channel. Let's get started, guys. If you all want to see the Garden Busters palette By Us Cosmetics in action, keep on watching. Okay guys, I am so ready to dive into Garden Busters. How cute does this look? I'm so gravitated towards all of the fun, bright colors. I'm going to be wearing a black dress to work today, so there's really any direction that we could go in. But I think I want to start with Lemonade and then work my way into Green Apple, and then either use Blueberry or Fig to deepen up the outer corner. So I'm taking Lemonade on a rougher 15. I did prime my eyelids already with the e.l.f. Lock It Down eyeshadow primer. Really been enjoying that eyeshadow primer. Now I just need to get a glitter primer. That is a good yellow. Look at that. Wow. Now in a rougher 13 Max, I'm going to pick up the shade Green Apple. And I'm going to focus that out here. Ooh, how fun is this? Oh, I love it all day long. That is such good pigmentation, and there's no white base underneath. There's just practically a clear base. Wow. This looks good just the way it is, and I'm kind of tempted just to leave it like this instead of deepening up the outer corner. I mean, I usually do that. It's usually the way it goes, but I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm really feeling like this ombre effect. So what I'm gonna do, let me get a smaller brush. I'm gonna get this one right here, this Rephr 13 Mini. Clean it off. And I think I'm gonna go in with the blue shade, Blueberry, for the lower lash line. This looks like such a beautiful blue. I'm gonna put that down here. I feel like I haven't created a fun, colorful look like this in a little bit. I feel like the days that I don't film, I'm really doing neutral looks or no look at all and just putting some mascara and maybe a little bit of like a matte bone color or a matte white in the inner corner. I'll have to do a little tutorial on my everyday workday makeup because I don't always get to film before work, and sometimes I just I don't do an eye look, but I feel like I really haven't done one of these in a while. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just not remembering correctly. Uh-oh, I hear sister investigating the trash can here. And the trash that's in here, guys, is wrappers, boxes. I mean, it's not like dirty trash. Okay, I think that looks so cool. I have to do a fun blue liner. I'm thinking of one from ColourPop that I think would match perfectly. You could very well leave this as an all matte look, just add a little bit more to the lid, but we have some amazing sparkles in here that I definitely want to take advantage of. And I really think I want to use the green. I really think I want to do that one. That one's called Melon. And I'm picking this up on a Rephr 21. Here we go. I did spray the brush. Let me try using my finger. Oh, these are... Okay, these shimmers are different. They feel very different. I haven't swatched the palette at the time you're watching this video. Oh, they're like putty shimmers. Okay, so maybe you're going to want to use your finger to apply, or maybe even a silicone applicator might work instead of a brush. I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, it's pretty, but I feel like just a regular like powder shimmer would have been better. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the yellow and the green back. Okay, I really don't know how I'm feeling about that shimmer. I don't feel like it's really popping that much. And I did get a little bit on the lower lash line. Let me see if I can just add some more blue on top of it. Okay, so I'm going to take a Rephr 3, but since these are like different shimmers, I don't know what it's going to do. And I need some precision for the lower lash line. I'm going in with the shade Sunny. It's the yellow shimmer. Okay, there. All right, there we go. I did not spray the brush. This is just a dry Rephr 03. Okay, guys, so I love the mattes. Don't know how I'm feeling about the shimmers. Let me pop off camera to take care of the finishing touches, and I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 1. All right, guys, so here's the completed look number 1. I really love the way this look turned out. The only thing I'm a little skeptical about are the shimmers. Like this one in particular, it still looks nice. It's smooth. It's not very textured. I mean, I think the whole look obviously looks great. I love that I just left it the yellow and the green at the top with that blue lower lash line. The mascara I'm using in today's video is the Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes mascara, a little bit of Moira liquid liner on the top lash line, and I knew I was going to use the Blue Crush eyeliner from ColourPop. I thought that was the perfect match for that lower waterline with that blue shade. I think it looks fun. It looks really fun. I need to head out the door, go to work, but I'll be back for you in a few seconds, but for me tomorrow to create the second full look with the Garden Busters palette. Hey guys, I wanted to do this quick check-in with you over this new eyeshadow. It is creasing right there. I'm sure you can clearly see that. And I think it's the shimmer formula. I mean, the mattes are spectacular, but the shimmer formula, I don't know that I am a fan of it. But I'm going to wear it again tomorrow for the second look. We'll see if it does the same thing. I didn't use any glitter primer, just the e.l.f. Lock It Down primer, and that's been working really well for me. But just wanted to show you this situation. It's been about 10.5 hours already, so just FYI. Okay, so here we go with look number 2. Again, I've already primed my eyelids with the e.l.f. Lock It Down eyeshadow primer. I am wearing a this cream bodysuit and like a cream and green skirt to work today. Has like little palm prints on it. So let's see, we did the yellow, we did the green already. I really would like to incorporate the brown, maybe even the blue, because I love blue and brown together. Perhaps even the purple. All these shimmers just look so pretty, but you saw yesterday in my check-in that the green did crease. So I think I'm going to start up here. I'm going to start with Carrot Cake. Actually, you know what? I changed my mind. I changed my mind and changed my mind. I'm going to start with this one, Blueberry, and then work my way into Soil. And I'm taking Blueberry on a Game Beauty E01. You don't want to over blend your blue shadow. So you can see I'm kind of just stamping it, and then I'll lightly blend the edges in a bit. Now on a Rephr 14, I'm going in with the shade Soil. All right, guys. Oof, we definitely have a look going on. That got a little dark, a little dramatic. I don't mind at all. I love this color combination. So now we need to put some of these beautiful shimmers on. I'm really curious about this one and even this one up here. So I'm going to start with Orange Sea, and I'm going to pick this up on my finger because this formula yesterday, oh yeah, that looks much better. It just applied better with the finger because it is that putty-like formula. And it has a little bit of tackiness to it. Ooh, that looks really pretty. Okay, now we need something for the inner corner. I'm going to do that orange. This one is called Tomato Juice. Let's see. Hard for me to use my finger for this small area. Guess I should have used my pinky. There we go. Ooh, that looks nice. Okay, let's move down. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take the little brush I was using for the blue and just kind of blend right in here. That shimmer looks really pretty. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the matte orange called Carrot Cake. I'm taking that on a BH Cosmetics pencil brush. Ooh, this is a beautiful color combination, in my opinion. Now for that inner corner, let's see. I think I will do, I'm going to go in with Peach. And I'm going to have to use a brush, but I'm not going to spray the brush. Okay, guys, I'm going to go add some finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 2. Okay, guys, so here is the completed look number 2. Just love this color combination so much. I'm wearing the same mascara and eyeliner from the first look, but for the lower waterline, a NYX Epic Wear eyeliner. The shade has already been discontinued, but it's an orange eyeliner. I'm sure they have something similar. It's the shade Sophia. I'm gonna wear test this, and it's not gonna be a 10 or 11-hour wear test. It's probably gonna be more like 8 hours today, but at least we'll get a feel for how these shadows compared to yesterday, or the first look, how they perform. So I will check in with you guys later when I get home from work. Have a blessed day. Hey guys, so this is 9 hours of wear on day 2. It creased again. You can see that some of the shimmer shadow has come off. The matte shadows, fantastic. But it's the shimmer shadows, and I think it's because of that formula. This formula is different from the Uden's Eye formula. Even though these are sister brands, it's different, and I'm not really liking it. It just doesn't have a long wear time. I don't know how it would do if you did some glitter primer underneath. I stopped using the NYX glitter primer because it was making my shimmers crease. Shimmers that ordinarily wouldn't crease on me ended up creasing. So I don't know, that's a shame. You know, from a distance it still looks good. It can pass the distance test, but when you get up close to it, look in the mirror, I see creasing, and I don't have oily eyelids or anything, but I do have, you know, I'm 42 years old. I have like little lines on my eyes, as I'm sure some of you do as well. I like the packaging. I like the color story. I like the name, Garden Busters. I think the brand has a lot of potential, but unfortunately, it's just the shimmers for me that didn't really pass the test. So to be fair, because I liked everything else, I'm just going to give it 1 thumbs up. And if you want to shop for it, it'll be available on August the 25th. I did get an affiliate code, and it is Steff, the same one as Uden's Eye, and it will save you 10% off of this palette, because I think this is the only thing that they're releasing. So let me know your thoughts. What do you think of this new brand? Do you think it's worth checking out? Do you know of a way to make these putty shimmers last longer? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see y'all very soon. Bye.